Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be with my friend filming another video. Damla! Come on! So, it's my friend, it's the name of my friend, Damla. Do you want to be on camera? Oh, come on! Bit wild he goes, sometimes. They should turn around, because I think. So, come on Damla, just bring her over this way. So, I will be on my massive field filming another video. Can you see me?
Are you trying to film?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Right now?
Yeah. Do you want to be?
That's just going to be odd.
Okay, so I'm just filming my dog. Yeah, keep hold of him, because...
Oh,
what's he doing? Just bring him away from it.
okay, come here.
There's a dog there. So, yeah. So I'm going to be, filming. And with my dog, let me show him. He's going mental, literally mental.
Oh, what are you doing, you little...
So this will be quite a short video. Most of my videos are short.
There you go.
So you can see I am with my friend. And wait, that's the ball.
Oscar?
Oh yeah. Oscar! Yeah, bring him this way. Well, dog meets dog. I think it'll be called this. Dog meets dog. It'll be called this. Dog meets a dog, meets another dog. I think it will be called that. Two little dogs, one big one. You get the mix. So, be a teeny short video about this event. I'm at the big field. Can't really show much because give away where I live. Don't really want that to happen. So, Oh, damn! I'll just bring him this way. Come on, Oscar. Yeah, I told you in my second video. I'll tell you later.
Who are you talking to?
I'm sure she doesn't really know. Do you want to be shown on camera?
Okay.
It's my friend, Damla.
A little selfie action.
Hello.
Hi.
So other kids, I think I'm going to
I want to
be...
start YouTube, I want to start a YouTube channel, but need the right stuff. Oh my god,
Oh,
Oscar.
Oscar. So I think I'll be ending this video here. Not
You
really.
went a little mental,
Not,
didn't you? Don't
not
you
really
like
an
the dogs?
interesting video, but
Gosh.
I like to spend time with my dog and do social things, except from hold a camera. But it's still fun, so I'll see you guys next time in the next vlog.